Construction for Phase 1 skate park improvements and Phase 2 dog park at Allen Witt Community Park are underway. The first phase of the Allen Witt Community Park renovation plan focuses on the existing skate park. Renovations for the skate park improvements include installation of a new security fence around the skate park, refurbishment of some of the skate elements to ensure structural stability, expansion of the concrete around the skate park, additional landscaping, and a new temporary access road for emergency vehicles. The second phase of the Allen Witt Community Park renovation plan focuses on building 2 new dog parks, one each for small and large dogs, in the northeast corner of the park. Within each dog park, there will be an agility course and shade shelter. Near the dog parks, this phase also includes a roadway realignment with adjacent pedestrian pathways and a parking lot. Construction is expected to be complete in spring of 2021. For more information, go to fairfield.ca.gov/Allen Witt.